If you have a problem with leaves getting into your downspout, I got an easy solution. Alright, this is what you're going to have to do. You're going to have to get yourself a ladder, get your high pressure nozzle for your hose, and you have to get yourself a snake. No, I'm not talking about that type of snake. I'm talking about a plumber snake. What you do when you go up that ladder, listen to me, make sure you have someone hold the ladder because I don't want you to go out like that. I don't want any injuries, so be safe. But what you do, you get this snake, this plumber snake, stick it into your gutters, stick it down into your downspouts, and you'll stick it down into there and you'll feel resistance. And if you feel any resistance, pull it back and then push it in some more, and then eventually there'll be give, and the leaves or whatever debris is in your gutters will be pushed down. And then what you do is you take your high pressure water nozzle, spray it down into that downspout to help press and release all that debris that's in your downspouts. Quick and easy, won't take you a long time to do it. If you found this video helpful, I'll ask that you like it, subscribe to my channel if you like my content, and you have a great day. Bye.